Welcome to our channel. If you want to install a hidden Firestick streaming app using a free downloader code, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Power on your Firestick and use the search bar to find the downloader app. Install it if necessary. Step 2. Open Downloader and click on the URL field at the center of the interface. Step 3. Type in the free hidden downloader code for Firestick streaming and click Go to start downloading. Step 4. Wait while the APK file downloads to your device. The progress bar indicates download status. Step 5. After downloading, you'll see an install prompt. Click Install to begin installation. Step 6. Once installation completes, click Done. Consider deleting the APK file to free up space. Step 7. Navigate to your Firestick home screen and locate the hidden streaming app in your Apps section. Step 8. Launch the app and discover exclusive streaming content not available through mainstream channels. Access movies, shows, live content, and special features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.